Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions out there this morning. Already seeing temperatures about 10 degrees above average, 82 degrees right now as of 10 a.m. Our average high this time of year is around 73. You're going to see temperatures about 20 degrees above average today in the low 90s, and we're expecting a record high here at Wallops that would beat the old record high of 87 degrees set in 2013. Continuing on in the afternoon hours, we'll see southwesterly to westerly winds, and that will continue to pump that warm or hot and humid weather into the region. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level around 15,800 feet, winds out of the west-southwest to westerly component up to about 9,000 feet, and seeing a 28-knot wind at 1,000 feet, and then decreasing anywhere from about 15 to 20 knots above that to 9,000 feet. Above 9,000 feet, we see more of a northwesterly component to our winds, seeing winds anywhere from about 20 to 25 knots, with 24 knots out of the northwest to 25,000 feet this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, we have an area high pressure off the eastern seaboard, and that's allowing for us to have that warm to hot southwesterly flow across the region. We have a boundary that's currently across the Great Lakes into New England and across the Plain States or Southern Plain States that is really dividing seasonal weather, seeing more of a fall type weather pattern or winter type weather pattern across the northern plains and versus summer across the southeast and eastern portion of the United States this morning. This cold front will move through the region tonight into tomorrow morning, providing us with more seasonable conditions for our Thursday. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have some mid-level cloudiness across the region around 8,000 feet, as well as some serious cloudiness across the Ohio Valley that's going to be moving towards the region this afternoon, and that'll give us some filtered sunshine for the afternoon hours. Looking at our radar imagery this morning across the eastern portion of the United States, we have that rainfall associated with the frontal boundary was seen on the surface analysis. That will continue to stream from west-east today, north of the region. And looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model, giving an idea of what the radar reflectivity may look like this afternoon, you can see some rain showers and possible thunderstorms across Pennsylvania. Moving into the evening hours, we'll see a possibility of some showers and thunderstorms continue across Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Overnight tonight, we could see a brief sprinkle across the northern portion of the Delmarva Peninsula. This is 5 a.m. or 5 local. Not really expecting any chances here at Wallops. And then for Thursday, we'll see onshore flow, more showers to our north, but could be seeing some drizzle with that low-level cloudiness building in across the region as with that onshore flow moving over the Wallops region. And then for Friday, we'll see a cold front moving through during the early night hours of Thursday into Friday, and that could provide us with about a 10% chance of a rain shower. Looking like it most likely won't occur, but cannot rule it out with that frontal boundary coming through. And then for Friday, we'll have less humid conditions, breezy weather, and really a nice day, but more of a fall taste of the air, as we'll have that less humid weather and cooler temperatures in the 70s. Looking at our long-range model, here's our GFS for Thursday, giving us that onshore flow with that low cloudiness and possible drizzle is showing here in the light grays as some precipitation. Moving into our Friday afternoon, you're going to see that area high pressure building in from the Great Lakes, giving us that drier fall-like conditions across the region. And for Saturday, it'll be a very nice day across the area. High pressure building into New England. That's going to give us more of an onshore flow. We'll see temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s Saturday morning, and Saturday afternoon only seeing temperatures rise into the upper 60s across the region, so a little bit below normal as compared to today. We'll see much above normal temperatures. And then for Sunday, the GFS kind of shows a little bit of boundary moving through, possibly some low clouds, and that's what's showing the precipitation here in the light grays. Possibility we do see a warm front moving through Sunday morning, giving us some low cloudiness or some drizzle across the region, but most models are not showing this much or widespread of the precipitation as the GFS is showing here. Sunday afternoon should be a fairly decent day. We'll have southwesterly winds ahead of a cold front moving in, temperatures warming in the 70s, and overall a fairly good end of the weekend. And then Monday we'll have a cold front moving through, as well as a weak area low pressure off the coast that could be providing us with some showers for Monday afternoon and the evening hours. And then Tuesday looks like we should have an area high pressure build in, but some of the models are indicating this area low pressure that was off the coast here on the GFS on Monday could move towards the region, combining with an upper level area of low pressure to give us some unsettled conditions on Tuesday as well. But being several days out, we'll continue to monitor the weather pattern for early next week. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a high around 92 degrees, heat indices around 100 degrees this afternoon, a low of 70 tonight. We'll see southwest to west-southwest winds at 8 to 13 knots today, becoming northeasterly 8 to 13, gusting to 18 knots by tomorrow morning with that cold front sliding south of the region. We'll also see a chance of some ceilings around 500 feet with a yellow tomorrow morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will see VFR conditions today and then a chance of some broken clouds around 500 feet tonight, and even a chance of an overcast deck around 500 feet tomorrow morning after 8 local with a possibility of some patchy drizzle. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Thursday and Friday, Thursday mostly cloud overcast with slightly breezy onshore flow, slight chance of that patchy drizzle as I mentioned during the morning. We'll have a high of 78 degrees, a yellow for those ceilings. Thursday night we'll have mostly cloudy conditions with a chance of low clouds early, slight chance of a brief shower, and breezy towards dawn. We'll have a low of 68 degrees on Thursday night into Friday morning. And with that cold front moving through, as I mentioned, can't rule out that brief shower, only about a 10% chance. We'll have those winds gusting most likely around 23 to 24 knots towards dawn on Thursday, Friday morning I should say, and then as well as the ceilings early on Thursday night. Friday, we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions, slightly breezy and more seasonable, high of 76 degrees. We'll have those winds gusting near 25 knots during the morning, especially on Friday. And then the next 7 days, we'll see hot and humid conditions today, cooler and more seasonable for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. More cloudiness on Saturday and Sunday. That should keep our temperatures in the upper 60s on Saturday. Sunday, we'll see that southwesterly to southerly flow warming our temperatures up into the upper 70s. And then Monday, we'll see that cold front approaching, should see temperatures in the upper 70s once again. Scattered showers, about a 30% chance of some rain showers. With this dry pattern that we've been in across the Mid-Atlantic region, it's been hard-pressed to see much rainfall, and the models have been indicating a fairly good chance of rain on Monday and Tuesday of next week. However, they have been showing that about a week out every day. So we'll be seeing those rain showers most likely dry up as they move towards the region, as this weather pattern has been dry across the Mid-Atlantic region, with about a 30% chance of rain showers on Monday, as well as a 40% chance of rain showers on Tuesday, with that pattern becoming uncertain for the early portion of next week. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.